If you face this type of problem, which is I am showing you, I am printing a document. That means I am pressing the printing option. If I print this document, my printer is not receiving print. Here you can see printer is not responding. How to solve this type of problem? Let's get started. First of all, just search here printer and scanner. From this list, just click on it. From this list, here you can see your installed printer. Just click it and open queue. From these properties, just click printer and cancel all documents. Yes. From this close and go to manage and click on set as default. After that, run the troubleshooter. Click on it. After diagnosis, if any fault find, here you can see there is no problem has shared. Just close it. Then go to type here CMD and run as administrator. Run as administrator, click on it. Then type here net stop spooler. Then press enter. Printer spooler service is stopping. Yes, it's successfully stopped. Then paste this code. Copy. This code has given in video description. You can copy from here there. Just Ctrl V, paste here. Then press enter. After that, you can this option, click on it and edit and paste. You can follow this option. Okay, same. Then minimize this window and go to Window plus R, press and services. Please type here services.msc. Then go to print spooler. From this list, I finding print spooler. Here is it, and double click on it. And service status is stopped. Just start it. Start. Yes, service controller has been start and is running. Just apply OK. Here is the status. Print spooler is running. Then again Window plus R, press. Then type here spools, SPOOL. Then go to printer. Here some items you can find. Then you can delete all files from here. After that, you can try your printing option. I hope your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.